Understanding add salt and pepper in English cooking phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might encounter in recipes or while cooking. Add salt and pepper. This simple instruction is more than just about adding flavor. It's a gateway to understanding instructions in English cooking. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and significance to help you master English cooking phrases. The phrase, add salt and pepper, might seem straightforward, but it carries important instructions for cooking. Add is a verb that means to put something together with something else so that they become a whole. Salt and pepper are both seasonings that enhance the flavor of food. When a recipe instructs you to add salt and pepper, it's directing you to incorporate these seasonings into the dish you are preparing. It's often one of the final steps to adjust the taste according to your preference or the recipe's guidelines. Seasoning your food is crucial in cooking. Salt and pepper are the most basic seasonings used worldwide to enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients. Adding salt and pepper is not just about making the food salty or spicy. It's about bringing out the best in what you're cooking. This step shows the significance of taste adjustment in cooking, allowing cooks to tailor the flavor profile to their liking or cultural preferences. While add salt and pepper is a common phrase in English recipes, it's interesting to note the cultural variations in seasoning. Different cuisines may emphasize other spices or seasonings, but salt and pepper remain universal. Understanding this phrase also opens the door to exploring how different cultures use seasonings, encouraging learners to explore and appreciate global cuisines. Here are some practical tips for seasoning. Start with small amounts and taste as you go. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. Use sea salt or kosher salt for a better flavor profile than table salt. Invest in a pepper grinder. Freshly ground pepper has a more vibrant taste than pre-ground pepper. Remember, the goal is to complement the dish's flavors, not overpower them. We hope this video has shed light on the simple yet essential cooking instruction to add salt and pepper. Seasoning your food correctly can make a huge difference in the outcome of your dishes. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your English cooking vocabulary, remember that cooking is an art and a science, with language playing a crucial role in the process. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video. Remember, practice makes perfect, both in cooking and in learning English. Keep exploring, and don't be afraid to try new things. Thank you for watching.